Hey everyone, and welcome to another Thursday trick where today I'll be showing you how to add mixed numbers fast. So mixed numbers, mixed fractions, whatever you want to call them, just a number combined with a fraction, and they can be quite difficult when adding, so make sure to watch till the end to see a nice trick on how to add them quickly. Alright, let's start. Okay guys, so first of all, I post 6 maths videos a week, so make sure to subscribe to keep up to date with all my awesome content and turn those bell notifications so you know when they're updated.
You have something on your face.
Wait, what do you mean I've got something on my face? Oh, mayonnaise, that's from my chicken sandwich. Why don't you tell me that before we start? Alright guys, just got to clean up. Transition. Alright, sorry for that guys, that was a bit awkward, but let's continue. Mixed numbers, mixed fractions. So 2 2/3 plus 3 1/4. So how are we going to add this really fast? Well, first, let's break down what we're actually doing here before I show you the trick. So first, what we can do is we can rewrite this as 2 plus 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. We can break it up, okay? 2 2/3 is just 2 plus 2/3. 3 1/4 is just 3 plus 1/4. So we can just dissect it all like that. So that means, if we simplify this, 2 plus 3 is just 5, and 2/3 plus 1/4. Well, I made a video the other week on how to add fractions with different denominators fast. I'll leave a link up here. So all we do is just cross multiply and we get 8 plus 3 over 12. So that's 5 plus 11 over 12. And then we get 5 and 11 12s, right? Once we have a fraction plus, once we have a number plus a fraction that isn't improper, so numbers below, we can just combine it into one fraction. So that's not the trick, that's the long way to do it. It's actually a bit quicker than converting, but there's a much faster way to do this. So let's clean the whiteboard and let's look at the trick. So the trick to add these fast is what we do is we add the numbers together straight away, and we're going to add the fractions together straight away using the cross method. So what that means is going to look like is it's going to be 5, and then straight away we know that we combine the fraction with the number. So we cross multiply straight away, so it's 4 times 2 plus 3 times 1 over 3 times 4, which equals 5 and 11 over 12. Look how fast that is. Right. So the main method a lot of people will teach you is to convert to an improper fraction, then find your lowest common denominator. Too slow, and especially the numbers get really high. So you can see this method's a lot quicker, and with practice you won't even need to write this, you'll be able to do that instantly. So let's look at a case where the number on top is bigger. Okay, so we have 3 4/5 plus 6 5/6. So let's use our trick to add them together. So we add the numbers together, 3 plus 6 is 9, and then we cross multiply. 6 times 4, 24, plus 5 times 5, 25, and on the bottom, 5 times 6 is 30. So if we simplify that, we get 9 and 49 over 30. So that doesn't look right, because when we have mixed numbers, we can't have this number higher than that number. So the trick, what we do here is we can basically write 49 over 30 as 1 and 19 over 30. Because 30 goes into 49 once with remainder 19. So all this means we have to do here is add to this 9 how many times 30 goes into 49. So it would be 1, so that's 1 plus 9 is 10, and then what's the remainder? 19 over 30. So that's the trick we use when the top is bigger than the bottom. So let's just look at one more example. Okay, this one looks really nasty, right? The numbers are really high. So what we can do, let's follow the same process. So we add the numbers first, so 8 plus 7 is 15, and then we cross multiply. So 12 times 5 is 60, 9 times 11 is 99, and then 9 times 12 is, well, I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. Because remember, in the video I told you about cross multiplying, adding fractions, there's a trick we can do to simplify these calculations. because you should notice 9 and 12 have a common factor of 3, which means we've times by a factor too much of 3. So what we do is we divide everything by 3 first, instead of adding the tops and then timesing the bottoms, because the numbers get too high. So if we divide by 3 now, the numbers will be a lot smaller. So 60 divided by 3, 20. 99 divided by 3, 33. And look at this, we can do this in any order. 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 9 is 36. So you see the numbers look way better than what they did here. So we just clean this up. 53 over 36. And again, the number's too high. So we find how many times does 36 go into 53? Once. So we add that to 15, we get 16. And what's the remainder? 17 over 36. And that's the final answer. So this method makes adding mixed fractions, mixed numbers, whatever you want to call them, a lot faster. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick trick for adding mixed numbers. Make sure to comment below on what you want to see in the future. Whoa, you made it to the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something awesome today. I post 6 videos a week, Monday to Saturday, so make sure to subscribe here, turn those bell notifications on, and watch other awesome videos on my channel right here, okay, right here. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Spread the maths love. Can we go to the gym now? Awesome.